Welcome to English Voice Chat.
Hey everyone, grab your notebook. We start right now.
Today, 15 new English words, school words, daily life words, and feelings words, with a full review at the end. Let's go! 3 quick rules. 1. Get a notebook and write the words down. Writing helps your brain remember. 2. Pause the video whenever you need more time. Go at your pace. 3. Stay until the end for the full review.
And no phones during the study blocks. I'm talking to myself too.
Ha! Notebook ready? Let's begin. Block 1. School and Classroom Vocabulary. Write the title in your notebook.
Done. Ready.
Word 1. Schedule. A schedule is a plan that shows when things will happen.
Like a timetable?
Exactly. I have a busy schedule today. Write it. Schedule. Word 2. Assignment. An assignment is work your teacher gives you to complete.
So homework is a type of assignment?
Yes, we got a group assignment due Friday. Write it. Assignment. Word 3. Concentrate. To concentrate means to give all your attention to one thing.
Like right now. No phone, eyes on the video.
Exactly. It's hard to concentrate with noise. Write it. Concentrate. Word 4. Revise. To revise means to study something again before a test.
In American English, that's review, right?
Right. British, revise. American, review. I need to revise tonight. Write it. Revise. Word 5. Deadline. A deadline is the last time when you must finish something.
My least favorite word.
The deadline is Friday at 5. Miss it, lose marks. Write it. Deadline. Recap. Schedule. Assignment. Concentrate. Revise. Deadline. 5 school words. Excellent.
Break time!
Short break. Still learning. Today's tip. Silent letters. Look at assignment. We say assignment. The G is silent.
Oh, I never noticed that.
When you see G, N together, the G is usually silent. Sign. Design. Foreign. Assign.
Sign, design, foreign is sign. Silent G. Got it.
Now, Block 2. Block 2. Daily life and routine vocabulary. Words for every day.
Ready.
Word 1. Routine. A routine is a set of things you do regularly in the same order.
Like a morning routine. Wake up, brush teeth, breakfast.
Perfect! My morning routine keeps me focused. Write it. Routine. Word 2. Productive. If you are productive, you use your time well and get a lot done.
Like right now, studying English.
Exactly. A very productive study session. Write it. Productive. Word 3. Appointment. An appointment is a time you arrange in advance to meet someone.
So you have to book first?
Usually, a doctor's appointment at 3. Write it. Appointment. Word 4. Budget. A budget is a plan for how much money you spend and save.
I need to actually use this word.
My weekly budget is £20. Important for students. Write it. Budget. Word 5. Priority. A priority is something more important than other things. You do it first.
So studying before gaming makes studying my priority?
Exactly. My priority is to finish before the deadline. A word from Block 1.
Oh, the words connect.
That's how real vocabulary works. Recap, routine, productive, appointment, budget, priority. Great job. Break 2. The odd one out game. 3 words, 2 belong together. 1 doesn't. Ready? Schedule, deadline, routine.
Schedule and deadline are both about time and planning. Routine is a daily habit. So routine is the odd one out?
Correct. Schedule and deadline are planning words. Routine is a personal habit. Well done.
I used the meanings, not just guessing.
That's the goal. Using your vocabulary. Now, the final block. Block 3. My favorite. Emotions and feelings. Words to say how you feel.
Ready.
Word 1. Overwhelmed. If you feel overwhelmed, you have too much to deal with at once.
I know this one. Exam week. 5 subjects, no sleep.
I feel overwhelmed this week. Very human. Write it. Overwhelmed. Word 2. Anxious. If you feel anxious, you feel worried or nervous about something ahead.
Like before a speaking test?
Perfect! Anxious before presenting. The noun is anxiety. Write it. Anxious. Word 3. Motivated. If you feel motivated, you feel excited and ready to work hard.
That's how I feel right now.
Love it. Motivated after a good session. Write it. Motivated. Word 4. Frustrated. If you feel frustrated, you feel annoyed because something is difficult.
Like the same grammar mistake over and over.
Yes. Frustrated because I keep forgetting. It's normal. Write it. Frustrated. Final word. Accomplished. If you feel accomplished, you feel proud because you finished something difficult.
Like how I'll feel in 2 minutes?
Exactly. So accomplished after this session. Write it. Accomplished. Recap. Overwhelmed, anxious, motivated, frustrated, accomplished. All 3 blocks done. Study session done. Final review. Jake, block 1.
Schedule, assignment, concentrate, revise, deadline.
Block 2.
Routine, productive, appointment, budget, priority.
Block 3.
Overwhelmed, anxious, motivated, frustrated, accomplished.
15 words. School, daily life, and emotions. That is real progress.
And I remember them because we used every word in a sentence.
That's the secret. Don't memorize lists. Use the words. That's how they stick. Learning English isn't always easy. Some days you feel motivated. Some days frustrated or overwhelmed. Both are normal. Both are part of the journey.
The key is simple. Don't stop. Even 10 minutes a day adds up.
You showed up today. That makes you serious about your English. I'm proud of you.
Emma, the subscribe button?
Yes! If this helped you, please subscribe to English Voice Chat. Free, and it helps us make more. Hit like if you're coming back to review. And today's comment question: which of today's 15 words describes how you feel right now? And why? Comment below. We read every one.
I'll start. Accomplished. I just learned 15 words and remembered them all.
Now your turn. Thank you for studying with us. Keep going. Your English is getting better.
See you in the next one.
Bye for now and keep studying.